What do you want? Right there? Oh, I'm not sure I'm going to fit in there, bud. Right there? Okay, here I come. Watch out. Come in. Okay, push me.
Go.
Happy? Okay, that's enough.
Let's let Daddy out now.
All done. Happy? I don't fit. Why don't you get? You want to get in there? Hey, Bobo. Come here.
Can you be nice, Bo?
Are you a bully?
Nice.